That's working the video, and here is what it is. So this one I'm going to show you the buttons on. Okay, there are two ways that you can just use. The other one is using your phone settings only if you know your password, I mean your phone password. And the second one is without your password, you can just reset your phone, which is using the buttons that I'm going to show you in this video. Phone, for the reason of you, maybe you want to give your phone to someone and then you want to clear everything from your phone, resetting it is the best option. And let me show you how you can just reset it if in case you have even forgotten your phone password. Let's start with it and let's go. By if you're new, subscribe and like the video, and I'll be more videos right here on this channel. And know that this one I'm going to show you will not work for every phone, okay, but updates will be coming on other phones as well. So just give this a try. If it doesn't work, wait, subscribe, and then videos on other phones will become right here on this platform. Let's start with it. Let's go. Okay, so I'll show you how you can just reset it with these keys right here, and also show you how you will set it up. Okay, so we have the power key right here, the volume down, and also the volume up right here. And let me just take this off to show you, but if you're new, make sure you subscribe for more videos right here on this channel. Okay, so there is it. There is the button that I'm talking about, the power key, and then also the volume up. This is what you're going to use, and I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide that you will just follow. Okay, but now we will be focusing on the power key and also the volume up key. And what you're going to do is you will tap on the power key for 3 seconds plus the volume up key. But with the volume up key, you will keep holding it without taking your hands off it. So it will be something like this and also like this. You will tap 1, 2, 3, you raise this hand, and then this will still be on. Wait for like 3, 4, 5 seconds, something will pop up on the screen, and then you remove your hand from it. Okay, so let me just follow what I just showed you, and then let's see how it will go. But please like the video and subscribe for more videos as well. So let's start with it. Run. Our hand is here, another one is up there. 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Then this hand is off. The power and the volume plus key is still there, and then you will see something like this. Okay, so if you see something like this, then you are almost there. So the next thing I'm going to do is to tap on the power key again for 2 to 3 seconds, and then you tap on the volume plus key just once. Okay, so let's give it a try. It will be something like this: 1, 2, 3. Then you just tap on the top right here. So let's start with it. 1, 2, 3, then 1, and then you will see something like this. Okay, so if you see something like this, you will then leave your hand out of whatever key that you were pressing on right here. Okay, so this is how it will be, and you will be using the volume up and then the volume down to control everything right here. So yeah, now let me just turn off, and then let me take you through the process once again. If you haven't like you want to subscribe. So let's go. Okay, then you see we are here. So there is it. Now it comes with a lot of features that you really want to use. Okay, but we have the reboot system now. We are focusing on factory reset. Factory reset, this is the one that we are focusing on. Okay, so let's swipe down to factory reset, and know that everything on a device will clear. Everything on a device will clear. Okay, then you will use your power key to select. Okay, so the moment we tap on this, then everything will start deleting and restarting. Okay, so let's start by tapping on it once. Okay, and then we have this. You can either cancel it. So let's say it was a mistake, you just tap on it. You can just tap on cancel, it will bring you back. And then if you think it is what you were going in for, you tap on the power, then just go to factory data reset. You select that one by tapping on the power key. So now you can see wiping data, formatting metadata, e-writing zero success, and success right here, and data wipe complete. Now everything is done, and then you can see reboot system, So you can just go down from here, and then you go to power off. Okay, and now let's turn the device on. If you want to subscribe because more videos will be coming right here on this platform. Okay, so now we are done with it, and as you can see right here, select language, and then you will select your current language right there. Tap on next, and then you select your location right here, and then tap on next. And this side, insert SIM card, you can just go to skip, or you do as they say, connect Wi-Fi. You can just skip that one as well. Skip. And then we have this side, user agreement. Scroll down, read everything right here, and tap on I have read and agree to the button. Just tap on next. Okay, and then this side, this is what you're going to do. Scroll down again and come to accept. Okay, and now you can just set your password or anyone that you want. Okay, or you can just tap on skip, and then later you do that one. Okay, now tap on skip again, and then you have the gesture, and then the buttons. You select one, and then you just tap on next. Okay, and then you are done with it. You are done resetting your device. But make sure, as I said, it is your device and no one's device. Make sure it is yours. So please like the video, subscribe, and follow us for more updates right here on this channel.